Check out this 2010 Ford Focus. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.